Kesia was our only daughter and only child. She was the most wonderful, full of life girl you could ever meet. She was incredibly talented. She was very intelligent. She was a lot of fun, very outgoing, and we miss her dearly. Kesia had mental health problems for a while leading up to the detention. She'd been in hospital for a number of weeks as an inpatient on a mental health unit. She'd been to stay with her father for a short time and was picked up by the police in Manchester. But her treatment while she was in detention, as far as we know, was absolutely disgraceful. At one point, she was found in her cell naked in a pool of her own urine. So her treatment while she was in custody was absolutely dreadful. We know it would have had a devastating impact on Kesia. The fact that somebody is confined for 3 days in a cell with no access to any support from their family or their parents at the age of 17 must be absolutely torturous. To have all control taken out of your hands, to not know how you can help yourself, it just doesn't bear thinking about. We used Article 2, the right to life, because Kesia was denied her right to life when she reached out for help and wasn't given it. We also used Article 8, which is the right to family life, because we were never contacted that Kesia was in custody, so therefore we were denied the chance to actually help our own daughter. They took it away from us. They made us incapable of even being aware of the terrible situation that she'd found herself in, let alone trying to help her.
And we did, at varying different points, we have managed to change things. You know, there have been significant changes that have taken place. As Martina says, you get to a stage where you think, well, actually, all you can do now is to create a legacy, you know, to try and help others in the same situation, because, you know, it's so horrific that you don't ever wish anybody to go through that.
The fact that the Human Rights Act exists means that people have to be held responsible for the things that they are not doing, that they should be doing to help people. Without it, how would anybody be held responsible for what they've neglected to do? In everyday life, you are forced to put your trust in people to do what's best for you and to take care of your children and to uphold the law. And when that's not done properly, there needs to be some kind of recourse to be able to do something about it and to make sure that it doesn't happen again. And the Human Rights Act allows people to do that.